Hey guys, I'm Tara. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a quick 5-minute meditation. This meditation is great for anyone who is a beginner to meditating or also anyone who really just only has 5 minutes and wants to do a really quick meditation to get their practice into their day. So for today's meditation, make sure you find a comfortable sitting position. If you do have trouble sitting for meditation or getting comfortable, I have a whole video where I go over different ways you could sit and meditate to make it work for you and your body. So I'll put a link to that in the description down below. So with all that said, let's go on and meditate. Okay, sitting in a comfortable position, keep your spine tall and straight, and go ahead and close down your eyes. Feel yourself dropping into your body, settling into this meditation. Bring your awareness to your breath, noticing your inhales and exhales through the nose. On your inhales, allow your belly to expand, and as you exhale, allow the belly to gently fall back in. Inhale, belly expands. Exhale, belly falls back in. Keep breathing in this way throughout this meditation. Let go of all tension in the body. Let go of any tension in the legs. Letting the legs relax, feeling grounded into the earth. Let go of any tension in the abdomen, keeping the belly soft and allowing it to move with your breath. Let go of any tension in the upper body, the arms, the shoulders. Allow the shoulders to fall away from your ears. And let go of any tension in the face, letting your jaw relax and soften. Let the eyes relax, the forehead relax. And just scan your body. If you notice any other areas of tension, just let them go. Let go of any tension you may be holding in your mind. Releasing thoughts. If thoughts do come up, don't worry. Just bring your attention back to your breath, noticing your inhales and exhales through your nose. We'll take a minute here to rest in this feeling that you've cultivated. Just listen to the music and keep letting go and focusing on your breath. And I'll guide you out when we're ready. Start to bring your awareness back into your physical body. You can wiggle your fingers and toes. And when you're ready, go ahead and open your eyes back to the world around you. Namaste.